Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best weed grabber is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner or gardener looking to maintain a pristine lawn and garden without the backbreaking labor typically associated with weed removal. This innovative device is designed to tackle stubborn weeds at their roots, making your yard work significantly easier and more efficient, ultimately saving you time and effort while ensuring a healthier, more beautiful outdoor space for you and your family to enjoy. Number 5. EZPIK Classic 40 Folding Grabber Reacher Tool. Experience rock-solid performance with our patented latch, capable of lifting items up to 5 pounds. It's perfect for a variety of tasks, offering unparalleled safety and independence. Retrieve small metallic objects and access tight spaces with ease thanks to dual magnets and a 90 degrees rotating jaw. The wide, rubberized claw ensures a secure grip on items of all shapes and sizes. This aluminum grabber is significantly lighter than most, reducing arm fatigue during extended use. Its ergonomic handle and foldable design make it a perfect portable solution. This multi-purpose tool adapts to any task, from kitchen shelves to garden cleanup. It's ideal for maintaining independence in household chores and outdoor activities. Minimize fall risks and strain with this essential aid. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, providing effortless reaching and peace of mind. What we like. This grabber boasts an unmatched 5 pounds weight capacity, making it perfect for heavier items. Its dual magnets are excellent for picking up small metallic objects. If you need a reliable tool for everyday reaching tasks with a focus on strength and versatility, this is the one for you. What people say. The grabber is long enough to reach the weeds without bending over. It has a claw mechanism that securely grips the weeds, making them easy to pull out. The grabber is lightweight and easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. Number 4. EZPIK Pro 43 Foldable Grabber Reacher Tool. Introducing the EZPIK Pro, a versatile grabber designed to make reaching everyday objects simple. Its foldable design ensures convenience for users of all ages. This tool boasts a heavy-duty construction capable of picking up to 5 pounds, yet it remains lightweight for comfortable use. The patented oversized latch ensures reliability. Never struggle with small metallic items again. The magnetic tip easily retrieves dropped nails, coins, and other small metal objects, making tasks easier. Weighing only 10 ounces and featuring a foldable design, this grabber is easy to carry and use. It's perfect for seniors and anyone needing a little extra reach without strain. Equipped with convenient clips, it attaches easily to walkers, wheelchairs, or beds. This grabber provides invaluable assistance, promoting independence and ease of access. Elevate your daily life with this sturdy grabber. It's built to withstand regular use, serving as an indispensable tool for mobility and reaching needs. What we like. This option offers a strong 5 pounds pickup capacity and a magnetic tip for retrieving metallic items. Its lightweight and foldable design makes it incredibly portable. If you are looking for a convenient and sturdy grabber that's easy to carry around, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It was sturdy, long enough that I never had to bend over, and I loved that it was collapsible. The grabber part is also quite sturdy and you can actually pick up things that weigh more than 2 pounds without it bending. The rod that snaps together is sturdy and works well, because they lock down. Brilliant. Number 3. FTH All Stainless Steel Grabber Reacher. Introducing our heavy-duty grabber reacher, built for tough tasks. Its all stainless steel construction ensures durability and longevity for all your needs. This versatile tool is perfect for picking up a variety of items. From trash to logs, it makes reaching and grabbing effortless and safe. Use it for your barbecue, fireplace, or even for safely handling snakes. Its long reach and sturdy grip provide excellent control in various situations. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this grabber is designed to withstand the elements and frequent use. It's a reliable addition to your toolkit. Experience the convenience of extended reach and a secure grip. This tool simplifies tasks that require you to pick up objects from a distance. What we like. Constructed entirely from stainless steel, this tool is built for heavy-duty tasks. It's ideal for handling hot items like logs or food on the barbecue. If you need a robust and heat-resistant grabber for outdoor cooking or fireplace maintenance, this is your best bet. What people say. The grabber is lightweight and easy to maneuver around the yard. It effectively picks up small debris like leaves and twigs without damaging plants. The long handle allows for comfortable use without bending over. Number 2. Walensee Upgraded Weed Puller. Tired of back pain from weeding? This tool lets you stand tall and remove weeds completely, roots and all, without bending or kneeling. It's perfect for your garden, backyard, or front yard. With its pointed 5-claw design, this tool easily penetrates various soil types to grab stubborn weed roots. Simply push, tilt, and pull to remove even deep-rooted plants like dandelions and crabgrass. Crafted from high-quality, zinc-plated iron, this weeder is built to last. It's strong enough to withstand your weight and resistant to rust, ensuring long-term use with minimal effort. Say goodbye to back strain, sore knees, and dirty hands. This tool makes weeding a breeze, reducing fatigue and making it an ideal gift for anyone who loves gardening. We are confident you'll love this weeding tool. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a full refund, no questions asked. Enjoy a better gardening experience. What we like. This weeder features a stand-up design to save your back and a 5-claw head for effective root removal. It's perfect for tackling tough weeds in various soil types. If you're a gardener who wants to efficiently remove weeds, including their roots, without bending or kneeling, this tool is a must-have. What people say. It's all in the twisting motion that removes the entire weed, including the root. And the release function, making it unnecessary to remove the weed from the tool, allowing you to put the weed wherever you want it. And that you can stand up with no bending over, so it's easier to use, and less physically demanding. This thing is really easy to use, no heft required. It's really light, but also really sturdy, as I found out when I hit a rock instead of a root. This is the best weed-begone tool I could imagine. Not only does it work like a dream, it is also extremely easy to use. I can very easily use this with no issues whatsoever. Number 1. Betus Manual Hand Weeder. Tired of stubborn weeds? Introducing a revolutionary tool designed for effortless weed removal. It makes gardening more enjoyable with less strain. This tool is engineered to outsmart your garden invaders. Its unique design penetrates deep into the soil to grab the entire weed, including the roots, preventing regrowth. Crafted from sturdy, chrome-plated steel with a comfortable wood handle, this tool is built for durability. You won't need to replace it anytime soon. Easily tackle invasive weeds like dandelions and thistles without harsh chemicals. It digs deep to remove them effectively, preserving your lawn's appearance. We are confident in the quality of our product. That's why it comes with a 1-year commitment, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. With its unique leverage design and bend-proof construction, this weeder makes removing stubborn weeds effortless. Its compact size is great for easy storage. If you want a durable and easy-to-use tool for digging deep and removing invasive weeds from your yard without much effort, this is the one to consider. What people say. It allows you to dig them out if necessary, get into small areas around existing plants, and to do maintenance quickly to keep the weeds out. The metal doesn't bend under pressure. Many of our dandelions are very thick, which bent another metal weeder I tried using. This tool helps to loosen the grip those roots have. The extra leverage provided by the loop helps to extract it, roots and all. I like the fact that it's narrow, because that makes it easy to push into the ground. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.